These are the Fives 4 lenses, and I will show you how to take out the lenses and reinstall them. So you take the top part of the frame and the bottom part of the frame and you pull and then push out with your thumbs. So you pull and push. Now, to reinstall the lenses, you take the lens and you take the far side of the lens and put it into the far side of the frame. When you do it, you just want to carefully and gently slide the lens into the grooves. Make sure it's snug. This part and this part should be already into their grooves. And you just push in the top corner. And you should hear a click. So you take this part of the lens into this part of the frame. And you gently slide it in, and make sure that this part and this part of the lens are already in their grooves. And you just push the upper corner.